Stem Cell Research by Amanda Clayton. Now, you may be wondering, what are they? They are similar to teenagers. They don't know how to function or what to look like in society, so they self-renew themselves into several different identities and differentiate themselves into multiple different groups. Now, this is due to their potency or potential to be able to categorize themselves into cells. Now, there are 3 different types of stem cells. There are totipotent stem cells that can infinitely divide into different cells of an organism. Best example, a zygote. Their first form is a cell made through our parent cells, obviously, the egg, the sperm, into a whole human. Our pluripotent stem cells have more restrictions than totipotent stem cells. Yes, they can differentiate, but they just need a little bit of more of a push. Like our embryo stem cells that only appear when the zygote creates a blastocyst. A multipotent or somatic stem cells have even more restrictions and can only be divided into specific kinds of cells, like our hematopoietic cells that can create new blood cells only. Now we're going to gene college, which is our gene expression. Transcription factors transcribe our DNA into mRNA. Our genes turn into proteins, just like how our college students turn into adults and leave themselves expressed. Now, certain genes don't graduate in this gene expression, and they're not expressed. That's okay, because that's how our cells are able to know what they're supposed to, how to function, what they're supposed to look like, and their placement. Now, for stem cells, it's not very effective on them. It's basically their choice to take part of it due to internal, external cues from other cells or processes. Now, this type of research has their pros and cons. The pros is through Mr. Yamanaka's and Mr. Takahashi's research of finding 4 common genes and gene expressions that can revert a regular cell to stem cells, which can be very helpful for therapies such as bone marrow transplants. But yet again, it's controversial in the way that it denies diversity in humanhood, but it also can cause organ tissue rejection due to the development of another stem cell. Now, I hope you learned something entirely new about stem cells, and thank you for listening.